it looks like they took the M&P Smith Wesson shield and put a 5.7 upper on there or something. That's how slim it is. You can tell a huge difference between how much slimmer it actually is. Now, the M&P is longer. It is longer, as you can see here on the end. It's a little longer, but the shield is lighter, like way lighter than the Glock 19. Side by side, it's like a huge difference. A huge difference. So that's two things right there off the bat that I like from the M&P Smith Wesson 5.7. Another thing that I like, this new operating system. Let's see if I